Hello friends, welcome to Raj Malhotra's IAS Academy. Today in our environment discussion, we're gonna discuss about climate change. So before getting into this term, let's see what we're gonna understand. We're gonna understand the concept of climate change. We're gonna understand the causes of climate change. We're gonna understand the timeline of climate change, and then we're gonna understand the impact of climate change. So this is the discussion today. If we talk about climate change, before getting into the term, we should understand what is climate and what is weather. Climate change, climate is a long-term representation of atmospheric condition where we usually takes 40 to 50 years duration, whereas weather is a short-term atmospheric condition, representation of atmospheric condition, which is taken on day-to-day basis. For example, if we talk about climatic condition of Tamil Nadu, we usually say it is hot and humid. But on a particular day, Tamil Nadu may encounter rainfall. That is what weather is. ये क्या है? Weather. And this hot and humid condition is your climate. So basic difference समझ में आया कि ये average representation है of climate in a area, whereas atmospheric condition in an area, whereas this is on the day-to-day basis. Now this long-term average is changing because of certain regions. That's why we are saying climate change. So this climate change, we have to understand that what causes climate change. What causes climate change? It can be natural. In natural, we see volcanic eruption, forest fire. Okay, these are major two. There are many other, but let's see volcanic eruption. During volcanic eruption, a lot of smoke is produced or smoke is released, and this release of smoke usually comes into atmosphere, which reduces the incoming solar radiation insolation on the earth, which decreases the temperature on earth. Whereas when this smoke settles down on snow, it reduces albedo value of snow, which causes melting of ice, and because of which global temperature will rise. When we talk about forest fire, it not only produces smoke, but it also produces carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which ultimately increases the temperature on earth. So these are the natural causes. Although forest fire can be because of man-made reasons, but naturally too these forest fire do occur. So hence it is categorized in this segment. Now if we talk about the other factor, that is human intervention. Here we have certain things like deforestation. Cutting down of forests reduces the carbon sequestration capacity of earth. Hence it reduces the carbon dioxide absorption by the plants, hence increases the concentration of CO2 in atmosphere, which results into increase in temperature. When we talk about industrialization or industries, they produces a lot of greenhouse gases, which increases the temperature of the globe. Now we can talk about fossil fuel. This burning of fossil fuel produces a lot of greenhouse gases, which results into increase in temperature. So there are many factors under human intervention which causes climate change, as well as there are many factors which causes natural climate change. Okay, these are the two causes for your climate change. Now let's understand the timeline of climate change. During 1750 यानी कि 18वीं सदी में yani around 1750 we started with the industrial revolution. This industrial revolution causes greed in human beings and we started over exploiting resources. It causes deforestation, burning of fossils, industrialization, which ultimately resulted into degradation of atmospheric condition where air quality decreased. Now during 1972 the air pollution became a major threat, and because of which there was one convention called Stockholm Convention. Okay, in this particular convention we talked a lot about pollution, whether it was air or water. Now after that there was one commission that came into existence, that is Brundtland Commission. This commission came out with a report called Our Common Future, and this report said that we should move towards sustainable development because the way we are utilizing resources right now is not good for human existence. After this particular report, one international framework was set up, that is IPCC. This panel, this intergovernmental panel on climate change, was set up during 1989. This report was around 87, okay, and this was around 1972. In this particular panel we got few reports. The first report came out in 90s, and after this report, in the highlight of this report, we started with the Rio Earth Summit in 1992. During this summit we decided we will start with 3 conventions. Out of that, one major one was United Nation Framework Convention on Climate Change. This framework has two major things, that is Kyoto Protocol and other is Paris. So these two protocols tried to limit the rise of global temperature by 2 degrees Celsius maximum. But the thing is, whether we gonna achieve this or not, that is debatable. But right now, if we talk about what are the possible impact of this climate change, let's see this impact. The first impact we talk about is increase in air pollution. As we know that because there are various industries which releases a lot of toxic gas, and because of these toxic gases and the smoke they produce, the air quality is decreasing. The example in India is 14 out of 20 major polluted cities are in India only. Then the weather phenomena, like severe weather phenomena, are occurring on a higher note. For example, you see increase in cyclones in India. Then you see a lot of phenomena like flooding in India. This year we see a lot of flash floods, like a lot of rainfall in shorter duration, which causes a lot of trouble in hilly area, especially in Himachal, Jammu, Kashmir. Then we talk about droughts in some area. So these are extreme weather phenomena which are becoming new norm. Then we talk about environmental degradation. What do you mean by environmental degradation? As the temperature is increasing, there is a lot of pest attack, and which ultimately gonna decrease. As the temperature increases, there will be increase in pest attack, and this pest attack will decrease biodiversity. This pest attack gonna decrease the biodiversity. So this is one of the problem. Now there can be a lot of health issue, like you can see COVID-19. You can see, like, because of decrease in air quality, we have this problem of asthma or lung cancer been increasing. So these are the things, but most important gonna be your water crisis, especially in India or South Asia. Why is it so? Because we depend a lot upon Himalayas and the glaciers which we have in Himalayas, which are known as third pole of the world. So agar Himalayas pe we see the increase in temperature, it will ultimately result into melting of ice. This melting of ice will cause a lot of floods in near future, whereas in longer duration, when this ice gonna melt totally, and that part we gonna see water crisis. Okay, and also water crisis, for example, you can take an example of Chennai. Last year, one of the severe drought in the history of Chennai was there, because water table is depleting, as we are using a lot of water intensive crops, because of which water table is decreasing, and because of erratic pattern of rainfall, as the rainfall occurs in a shorter duration, the retention capacity of soil has decreased, and this erratic pattern of rainfall also causes a lot of soil erosion. This soil erosion can ultimately result into decrease in food productivity. First, it gonna cause problem of water crisis, and because of this erratic pattern of rainfall, we gonna see food crisis, because no water, there gonna be no food, and even because rainfall is occurring in a short duration, it causes a lot of soil erosion, because of which the soil quality gonna decrease. So this is the problem. Now let's get to the other part of this discussion, whether it's a reality or a myth. According to Shri Donald Trump ji, this is a myth. Why is it so? He says climate change to hota raha hai, it's there forever. For example, we have seen various ice ages, and we see this temperature increase or change in temperature, change in climate. That is a natural phenomena. It's nothing to do with the human activity. Okay, the first school of thought which says that it is a myth says that there was what change in temperature earlier too, from where we started, like ice age से हम आज present situation में आए हैं. There was 5-6 ice age, like ice age, then the melting of this ice, that is included in climate change. Then the other thought process that comes, that it is a reality, because impact, the kind of impact we are having on earth right now is not that is normal, because we are seeing several hailstorms or cyclones, floods. These are not natural. Hence we should take collaborative effort to reduce the impact of climate change. And the most prone area, that are small islands or the countries which are located in tropics, which gonna see the rise in sea level, these countries should collaborate and take concrete step to reduce climate change. So आज की डिस्कशन में हमने बात की क्लाइमेट चेंज क्या है और कैसे ये हमें इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है. आई होप दिस डिस्कशन वॉज यूजफुल फॉर यू एंड यू गोना एंजॉय दिस डिस्कशन. आज के लिए इतना ही, अगली डिस्कशन में फिर मिलेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.